So I welcome everyone back to my channel. So wherever you are watching this video from all over the world. So today we'll be looking at how to set up a celebrity booking website. So this is where your client can book their own celebrity depending where they are all over the world. So you can see from the menu here we have home, find celebrity, celebrity list, about, contact, book now, as you can see now. So by the time I scroll down, we're going to see a lot of celebrity included here. As you can see, we have Og Michael, Jackman, just name them, and from the admin dashboard you can able to add your own celebrity, and they can able also to donate to you from this script. Are you guessing now? So let me quickly go to the admin dashboard so that we can see how the admin dashboard look like. So I'm going to show you the admin dashboard. So from the admin dashboard you can able to delete a celebrity from there, add another celebrity, and you can also get fans card related. So it's loading up. Let's wait for it to load. So as you can see there, we have you can check all our celebrity from here. You can see our we can create a celebrity. Maybe you want to add a celebrity to it. Bookings, like they can book a celebrity. I'm going to show you that from the front end again, and you can also log out from the admin dashboard. So how does the user end operate? So let's quickly check that again. So I'm going to go back to the home dashboard again, and we're going to see how it works from the home dashboard. So they can, let's try to select one of celebrity here. Let's say I'm going for this man. I click on him. So I click on this man, and you can see from here I can able to book this man. So I'm going to book him, like, okay, tell us about your event. So we want to book this man. They're going to set up their information, and I'm going to submit a booking request. Are you getting it now? So that's how the script works. So I'm going to teach us now we can install this script step by step. So and we'll proceed from there. So wait, as I'm going to teach you how to set up the script step by step. Yeah, the first thing you're going to be needing is hosting. You're going to need the hosting and domain. So I use this preferred hosting. So I'm not here to do adverts for any hosting, but you can use any hosting of your choice, either Hostinger, either HostGator. Just pick them. Buy your hosting and your domain. From there, you're going to log in. So just log into your cPanel from here. Click on cPanel. You click on cPanel, it's going to load up. So from here, you can be able to add your file. This is the same file I will be sending to you. So I'm going to log in again. So from here, I'm going to log in again. So let's wait for it to load. So I'm going to just pick one of the hosting provider that I'm using here. Alright, so I've logged into my cPanel. I'm going to click on File Manager. So once I'm on the File Manager, from here, I'm just going to do what? Upload my zip file. So let us upload the zip file together. I'm uploading my zip file on a subdomain, but if you're uploading your own, upload it under public_HTML. But I'm using it for practical purposes. That's why I'm using this subdomain. So just click on it, and I'll click on upload. Let's wait for it to upload, and I'm going to upload our file. Click on select file. So let me quickly look for it from here. I'm going to look for, sorry, so that we can just upload it from there. And so this is what I want to upload. It's going to show me now, and just follow the video step by step, and now you can do the installation so that you can also do yours as expected. So let's wait for it to load. I'm going to search for it again because I have a lot of zip file here, so I'm going to search for it again. So I'm going to search for it. Let's wait for it to load up. I'm still looking for it. Alright, it's already uploading. What are we going to do from here is that I'm going to create a database for this file I'm uploading. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to search for database. So just click on my SQL database wizard. Click on this first one. So I'm going to create a database for it. So let's wait for it to load. So from here we can just give it a name. Let me just call my own celeb. As you can see, I click on next step. Okay, so from here too I also type celeb. So for the password, I just copied this for this practical purpose. Please, if you are doing your own, make sure you use a very strong password. So I paste this here, and I click on create user. I click on create user. It's going to create a user for me now. So let's wait for it to finish up. And so I'm going to click on all privileges. So don't forget that we use this name as our username and database. So just go down, click on next step. Click on next step here. It's going to load. And from there, we have created our database. So our database has been created like this. So what are we going to do next from here is to go back to the file we are uploading. So it is done uploading. Go back home. Just click on go back home from here, and from our subdomain you can just right click on it and click on extract, and you click on extract file. So it's going to extract the file for us. So from here we can just click on, once it has done extracting, just click on close. So we're going to delete the zip file. We don't need it anymore. Just delete the zip file, skip the trash. So from there you're going to double click on this folder. I'm going to click on this folder. So we have all this file here inside our subdomain folder. So I'm just going to do what? Open it, click on select all. We're going to move it into our subfolder name. So we're going to remove this name of the file, which is celebrity booking. We're going to remove it. So it's going to remain our subfolder name, which is front.this. So move file. So we have moved the file now. The next is for us to open it and download our SQL database. So I already downloaded this, but I want to do it for practical purposes. So as you can see, we have SQL here. Click on SQL. So I'm going to download this one. Just click on save. So from there, we're going to go back to our database. So what are we not going to do that? Just search for phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. Look for it. Search for phpMyAdmin. It's going to load up. So as you can see here, we have a lot of database created, but the one we created the other time is Celeb, Abby. Okay, this is Celeb. Let's click on it. So I'm going to import our SQL database, the one we downloaded the other time. So click on choose file. So I'm going to look for it here, quick access, so that I can quickly see it. So this is it. I'm going to open it up. Now click on import. Please don't do any other thing apart from importing that thing you uploaded. So once it is done uploading, so we are good to go. So from here, what are we now going to do? I'm going to open our subfolder name. What is the name of our subfolder name? It is front.this name. So let's go back here. No, we can just do it from here too. Now let me just go back home, return home. So we can also do it from here by clicking on this our name. Is it this? Or we can just type it. You just type it like front. So I think I've been using it since. So we can just click on this and it's going to load it up for us. I think it's showing some errors that okay, we have not linked our database name to it. So let's quickly do that. So what is our database? Let's quickly do that. So let's go back to database. So my SQL database. So don't forget the database name and the password I use is the same thing. So it's going to load up. So I'm going to look for the name I created the other time. I'm going to scroll down. This is Celeb. So this name I created. I'm going to copy this. Don't forget I use the same name. So my password too is the same thing with the name. So I'll just come back to my file here. I'm going to come back to my file. So from here I'm going to look for where to link that name. So I'm going to look for database under config. So go to config, come to database, click on right click on it and click on edit. Click on it, edit and edit it. So from here you can just paste your database information. So I'm going to change the database username. So I'm going to paste it. Our database password, change it to, don't forget my database name is the same thing as my database password. I paste it to, and here too I paste it. So just click on save changes and we are good to go. So I'm going to check the URL again to see maybe what we did is correct. So I think this one is the former one. I'm going to cancel it. So let me look for the one that was showing error. This one. Okay, let's reload it and see maybe it actually works. So we are good to go and our site is up and running. So for you to access the admin dashboard, so don't forget from the folder here we did not use admin directly. So we actually use zadmin. So let me quickly show you that. Can you see here zadmin? That is the admin name. As you can see zadmin, but you can change it to any other so that nobody will be able to access your admin dashboard. You can change it to any other name. So from here now, I want to access our admin dashboard. I'm just going to put /zadmin. Can you see? Press enter and you'll be able to access the admin dashboard and do whatever you want to do from here, as you can see. So if you know you want to get the script, you can check the description below to message me or also buy directly from the link in the description. Thank you so much.